Welcome friends on Sahaj Shikshan YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to take question answers of chapter number 17 Man-Made Materials. Very easy chapter from standard 8 general science subject. Let's get started our exercises. Question number 1. Try to find a plastic shows property. Hence, it can be molded to any shape. It is a malleable property. You can bend by this property. It is a question. Question B. Motor cars are coated with It is coated with Teflon. Motor cars are coated with Teflon. Thermocol melts at degrees Celsius. It melts at 240 degrees Celsius. When you heat them at 240 degrees Celsius, they get melted. Question D. Glass dissolves in water. So water glass dissolves in water. Question number 2. Who is my partner? So you have to join all the partner. Lead glass is partner with electric bulb. Electric bulb uses lead glass. Bakelite are used in plates. Thermocol in electric switch. Optic glass in lenses. Polypropylene in mattresses. Question 3. The answering the following. A. Thermocol is produced from which material? From which material thermocol get produced? Answer is you can write from your textbook. Thermocol is a form of complex material called polystyrene. It transforms into liquid state on heating at more than 100 degree temperature and returns to solid state on cooling. So first this material get heated at 100 degrees Celsius and then get cooled. Due to this, we can give any desired shape to it. Being good shock absorber, it is used in packing of delicate items. When you order on Flipkart or Amazon, the electronic expensive products, they use thermocol for absorbing shocks while traveling. B. Right uses of PVC. You know what is meant by PVC? Polyvinyl chloride. It is a plastic polymer made up of monomer vinyl chloride. It is used in toys, homes, plates, ball, also in pipe making. In pipe making industry, PVC pipe is also there. Question number C. Write the natural or it is man-made raw material of the following item. So mattress is a man-made raw material from plastic. Beaker, it is a silica glass man-made raw material. Bangles are glass used by natural. Chair by PVC material, man-made material. Gunny bags are from jute, which is natural raw material. Broom corn from natural raw material. Knife can be made from steel or metal, which is available in natural form raw material, or plastic from man-made raw material. If you see, many knives are made up of both natural and man-made. Front metal part, it is a natural raw material. Back side plastic is man-made raw material. Pen, metal part is naturally available raw material. Plastic part is man-made raw material. D. Which are the main ingredients of glass? Very easy question. You can write it from your textbook. Glass is a non-crystalline, hard but brittle solid material formed from mixture of silica and silicate. Silica, that is SiO2, to which we refer to as a sand, which present in desert but different type of chemical constituent. Depending upon the proportion of silica and other components in the glass, there are different types of glass as silica glass, alkali silicate glass, soda lime glass, etc. Question number E. How is plastic produced? How plastic produced, students? We regularly use this. Even government ban on this. A man-made material showing the property of plasticity. and made up of organic polymer is plastic. Structure of all plastic is not same. Some linear while some circular. So main answer is made up of organic polymer is plastic. Question number 4. Distinguish between natural material and man-made material. Natural material comes from nature. Man-made material made by man-made material. Natural material is natural color, has natural color. Man-made material color as per requirement is added to color bath. Natural material during spinning process, spinneret is not necessary. During the spinning process of spinneret is necessary in production of filament. For natural material, chances of containing dust or impurities. For man-made material, no chance of any dust or impurities because we take all care. For natural, less durable than synthetic, and for man-made, more durable than natural. Next difference is thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic can be synthesized by process called addition polymerization. Thermosetting plastics are synthesized by condensation polymerization. Thermoplastic is processed by injection, molding, extrusion process, blow molding, thermoforming process, and rational molding. Thermosetting plastic is processed by compression molding, reaction injection molding. Thermoplastics have secondary bond between molecular chain. Thermosetting plastics have primary bonds between molecular chains and held together by strong cross links. Thermoplastics have low melting points and low tensile strength. Thermosetting plastics have high melting points and tensile strength. Thermoplastic is lower in molecular weight compared to thermosetting plastic, and thermosetting plastic has higher molecular weight than thermoplastic. Question number 4. Answer the following in your own words. Explain the effect of remedial plans of following material on environment and human health. First one is plastic. The smoke released after burning of plastic is harmful to human health. If you in winter season, if you burn plastic, it will harm your health. It is a non-biodegradable and man-made material which causes lot of land pollution due to its non-biodegradable characteristics. It remains in the soil and water for very long time and create a pollution, thus causing pollution. Second is a glass. While glass production mixture needs to be heated up to 1500 degrees Celsius. During these, greenhouse gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide released through burning of fuel. As the glass is non-degradable, if pieces of waste glass material flow into water body, it may affect the water ecosystem. Similarly, drainage get blocked due to the glass pieces. Third is a thermocol. Being a carcinogenic ingredients in styrene, the person in contact with thermocol for long duration may have possibility of blood cancer like leukemia and lymphoma. If food kept in thermocol is reheated, if you keep your food in thermocol and if you reheat, styrene may dissolve in that food. Due to this, there is a possibility of health problems. It takes long duration for natural degradation of thermocol. Hence, many people opt for destroying it by burning. But, however, it is still more hazardous method as it releases poisonous gases in atmosphere. So, if you can burn all the thermocol, it may lead to pollution in atmosphere. In mass gatherings, plates, cups used to offer the food, water, tea are made up of thermocol. It affects their health. So it is a very bad practice to use thermocol plates for dinner or in any festival or while in any program. Question B. Which measures will you arrange to minimize the environmental problems arising due to non-degradable plastic? So what would you do? Most of the plastics used in day-to-day life is made up of non-biodegradable material. This means environment is everyday getting highly damaged by them. The best way to minimize the hazards is to use biodegradable plastic and also recycle as much of non-degradable plastic as possible instead of buying new plastic items. So you have to use again and again same plastic material. Other ways are by keeping awareness campaigns, so you can aware all the humans regarding the plastic pollution. Using jute bags instead of plastic bag. Our Maharashtra government already banned the plastic use bag. By reusing them and by recycling them, you will arrange to minimize the environmental problem arising due to non-degradable plastic. Question 6. Write short notes. Glass production. For glass production, mixture of sand, soda, lime and small quantity of magnesium oxide heated in furnace. Sand. Silica dioxide melts at 1700 degrees Celsius. So, as to melt the mixture at low temperature. Pieces of discarded glass are added to it. Due to this, mixture melts at 850 degrees Celsius. Once all the ingredients of mixture are liquefied, it is heated up to 1500 degrees Celsius and immediately cooled. Due to sudden cooling, mixture becomes homogeneous, amorphous and transparent instead of crystalline. This is called soda lime glass. Second is optic glass. Optic glass is produced from mixture of sand, soda, limestone, barium oxide and boron. These are main ingredients. This type of pure glass is useful in production of spectacles, lenses, microscopic lens, also glass of your mobile which you are currently using. Uses of plastic. Following are the use of plastics. Plastics we regularly use. Even if you are currently using mobile or laptop, your mobile devices uses plastic. Vessels used to cook food in microwave oven are made up of plastic. Daily usable plastic bags which we use for carrying the material. Plastic is used in healthcare sector like syringe. Vehicles are coated with Teflon to protect from scratches. Teflon is a type of plastic coating. There are more than 2000 different types of plastics. Some types of plastics are used in assembling some of the parts of the aeroplane to make them more lighter. Polyacrylic is a type of plastic used for manufacturing lenses and artificial teeth. For lenses, so that we can make the non-destructible lenses so it cannot break easily even if your lens or your spec fall on the ground. So friends, here we have completed all the question answers of this chapter. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the Search Shikshan channel.